Oke, oke, oke. Ya, ya. Oke, ya. Thank you. Terima kasih. Okay, now let's start. Yeah.
Let's start.
Okay. Yeah. I'm recording this, Safan. Can you see my PowerPoint?
You can.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Dear students, you can ask me questions anytime you like. Yeah, you don't have to wait for the last 20 minutes. Yeah, we have about 1.5 hours, yeah, until 11. Is it right, Sofan?
Yes, Pak.
Okay, I'm going to talk about how to write a thesis proposal. Yeah, I am Safnil Arshad from Bengkulu University. This is our campus. Yeah. Chenda has been here, yeah, to attend her graduation, and also she was here for 1 hour, one year, I think, yeah, to do attachment. Yeah. Okay. Now this is first a little about, yeah, uh, how to be a researcher. Yeah, because I'm teaching at a university. Yeah, have to be a researcher. These are the advantages of being a researcher. Number one is to be a professional lecturer. Yeah, if you want to be a professional, you have to do research. Yeah. Number two, to get promoted to higher level. Yeah. And number three, to solve my own others' problems when we have problems in teaching. Yeah, so we can solve the problems by doing research. Number four is to complete the postgraduate studies. So if you attend a postgraduate study for a master program or for a PhD program, you have to do research, yeah, and to write a thesis or a dissertation. And finally, yeah, you do research and write articles for publication and share something to other lectures, yeah, uh, to share the information you have, yeah, in the research problem. Okay. Yeah, some voice, yeah, coming from somewhere. Good. Okay, yeah, yeah, I have uh, mute, yeah, the voice coming from outside.
Yes, Pak. Yes.
Okay, now, uh, next. Now, advantages of becoming an active researcher. Number one, we can get promoted very easily to a upper or to the higher level of our position as a lecturer or as a teacher. Yeah, because when you go to a higher level of your position, you need some evidence, yeah, from your research project and your publication. And then we can get scholarships, yeah, to pursue further study, yeah, by showing that you have done many studies and publish the results in journals or in books. Next is getting cited by other people. So if you publish articles, if you write books, and then other people read your articles or books, and they will cite your ideas or your research findings. And the more citation you get from other people's, the better. Yeah, because you will be acknowledged and will be known by other peoples. And also, if you are known by other people, if you are popular, you will be invited, yeah, to a conference as a speaker, and then of course you will be given the tickets, yeah, from the committee, yeah, from the conference committee, so you can travel, yeah, to other places, yeah, for free. And participating at conferences are free. Yeah, you can also participate it. And there are many other advantages of becoming an active researcher. Yeah, active researcher is someone who does studies, yeah, every year and publish the results, you know, in journals or in books. Yeah. Okay, now this is my steps of doing research. The first one, I decide, yeah, my research interest. Yeah, so you can also do that. You have to decide what field of research you are interested in. Are you interested in doing research about teaching method, teaching methodology, or teaching practices? Or are you interested in doing research on learning, yeah, from the student's point of view? Are you interested in doing research on the management, yeah, study program management, faculty management, school management, yeah? So it's up to you. And also, if you are an English teacher or English department students, now you can choose a more specific topic, yeah, for your research. For example, you are interested in the teaching of grammar, the teaching of vocabulary, the teaching of listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So you can choose one specific topic. If you are not interested in the teaching, you can also do research on the linguistic aspect, yeah, from English, yeah, like a discourse analysis, for example. Yeah, you can also do research on the teaching and learning media, the use of computer-assisted language learning, for example, yeah, the use of mobile-assisted language learning. There are so many topics, so many specific research topic that you can do for your thesis, for your undergraduate thesis or for your postgraduate thesis. Second, I find articles or books, yeah, related to the research topic. I want to know what other people have done on the topic. Yeah, for example, I want to I am interested in how people write articles for journal. Okay, I want to do research on that topic. So I search in the internet what other people have investigated on the topic. Yeah, so I read them all. Yeah, so if you are interested in the teaching of grammar, for example, English grammar, if you are an English department student, so you can go to the internet and type, yeah, type the topic, yeah, the grammar teaching or the methodology of grammar teaching or teaching grammar, yeah, uh, using through ResearchGate, yeah, through eric.com. Yeah, there are many other places where you can find the reading, yeah, for to prepare your research. So don't write something before reading something. Yeah. So read first. Sorry, read first, and then you can write. Okay, because this is academic writing. This is not a free writing. It's not composition writing. Yeah, this is academic writing. So by academic writing, yeah, we have to read first. Yeah, otherwise, yeah, we will write subjectively, yeah, only from our point of view. Yeah, we may have very little knowledge about a particular topic, and when we write something, other people have known it. Yeah? So we have to write something that other people do not know yet. So when they read what we have written, they get something new. Okay. So just like newspaper articles, okay, daily newspaper articles. If you read a newspaper articles today, yeah, in any language, you will get something new, new information, yeah, because newspaper present new information, okay. So when you do something, when you do research, yeah, to write your thesis, you have to present something new too, yeah. Otherwise, it will not be interesting for readers, yeah, for your friends, for your teachers, yeah, for other teachers, yeah, for the journal readers, yeah. The journal will not publish your articles if you don't do something new, okay? So you can do research on something on all topic, yeah, all topic, but you have to use a new method of doing research. Yeah, old topic, new method, or you can use old method but new topic. Yeah, new topic, something new. Yeah, use old method. It's okay. Yeah, old methods. Yeah, for example, experiment. Yeah, survey. Yeah, content analysis. Yeah, qualitative, quantitative, and so on. Okay, old method. Yeah, for a new topic, or yeah, you have to find some a new topic, yeah, a new method, yeah, for the old topic. Okay, but don't do research, yeah, on using old method on all topic, yeah, old method, old topic. It's not going to produce something new. Okay. Third, imitating one of the students published in the one of the studies published in the articles. Yeah, I mentioned before that before doing research, before writing your research proposal, you have to read a lot. Okay, relevant materials, relevant articles, relevant books. Yeah, you need more articles than books. Okay, maybe you need only 2 or 3 books. Yeah, but you need 20, 30 articles, yeah, research articles, yeah, to know what other people have done on that particular topic and what you are going to do. Of course, you are not going to do what other people have done, okay? And then number 4 is doing my own research, yeah, writing a research proposal, yeah, or writing chapter 1, chapter 2, and chapter 3. Yeah. Okay, now we come to chapter 1. Okay. What you have to write in chapter 1, yeah, this is called background of problem, yeah, or problem background. Yeah. The first one, you have to state why is the title or the topic interesting or important. Yeah. What is the interesting thing about your research topic, your research title? Yeah, why is it interesting? Why is it necessary? Okay, because this is academic writing, you cannot just uh, um, express your ideas. Yeah, you have to support your opinion, your knowledge, your idea. Yeah, by citing, by quoting other people's ideas. Okay, it is subjective if you only state your opinion. Okay, it is subjective. It is not argumentative. It is it's not going to be persuasive. Yeah, it's not going to be convincing if you only say what you think. Yeah, without supporting your claim, supporting your opinion, your ideas, yeah, by other people's ideas that you get from books or from the articles. And then you have to state the reality. What is the reality now? What is the problem, yeah, that you can observe? Okay, I'll show you what is a problem after this, yeah, but you have to refer to the reality. Okay, and then what is the expectation? Yeah, So what should it be? Yeah, for example, yeah, in an English classroom, most of the students are silent. Yeah, they are afraid of speaking English. Yeah, they are afraid of asking question. They are afraid of answering question from the teachers. So that is the reality. What is the expectation? The expectation is students should be active in speaking, in using English in the classroom and outside the classroom. Why? Yeah, because yeah, to be good at English, you have to practice. Yeah, practice makes perfect. So there is a gap between reality and expectation. Yeah, in the reality, students are silent. Yeah, while the expectation is that students should be active in using English, in speaking, yeah, in writing, yeah, yeah. So, and that is the problem. Okay. Yeah, the problem is, yeah, the students are expected to actively participate in classroom discussion, but in the reality, the students are very silent. Yeah, they are afraid of making mistakes. They are afraid of uh, being ashamed. Yeah, being fooled by their friend, and so on. Yeah, and that is the problem. Yeah, and then what is the solution? Okay, reality, expectation, problem, and solution. What is the solution? You think, you find the solution. Yeah, you can suggest the solution, yeah, by using a particular method or technique, yeah, or media, yeah, using, for example, experimental study, or you want to know why are the students silent? What are the problems? What are the causes? What are the reasons for the student to be silent in the classroom? Okay. Uh, so the solution can be to know how to solve the problem or to know the causes, yeah, the reason. Okay. And then you address your research question. Yeah, and then research objective. Yeah. Yeah. So you can add, yeah, in this chapter one, the significance of the study, the limitation of the study, and the definition of key or important terms, yeah, that you may use in your research proposal. So this is the outline, yeah, for your chapter one, yeah, in the thesis proposal. Yeah? Okay. Is there a question? Yeah, you can ask me question, yeah, while I'm talking. Yeah, you don't have to wait for the last 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Okay. So
Okay.
free.
If
Yeah.
you have a question, you can. We have two choice. You can voice directly to our,
Yeah.
or you can chat in with the chat box.
Yeah. You can. Okay. You can use the chat box. Yeah. I cannot see the chat box. Yeah. So far. So if there is a question, please tell me. Yeah. Please read it for me.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Is there any question? No? Okay. Now let's go on. Yeah. So at the beginning of your chapter one, yeah, you can state the research topic. Yeah, this is an example. Yeah, a claim about why is the research topic important. Yeah, why is the title important? Yeah, this is the example. The number of international students coming to Australia or New Zealand to obtain higher degrees in is on the increase. So the number increase. Yeah, however, few of them, yeah, had their research published in scholarly journals during their study. So this is the problem. Yeah, the number of students coming to Australia and New Zealand, yeah, increased, but the result, yeah, the thesis, yeah, cannot be published in scholarly journal. Yeah, the expectation is that they can publish the thesis, yeah, or dissertation in good journals, but they don't. Yeah, so this is the gap between reality and the uh, the expectation. Okay. So this is another example, yeah, which is called appeal to salience or important. Yeah, this is the way how to mention that your topic is important. Learning how to negotiate stance and build a relationship with readers is an essential part of developing into a skillful writer of various types of text. Okay, so this is uh, one example, yeah, how you start your chapter one, the first paragraph. And of course, after this, you have to cite, yeah, reference to support, yeah, your claim. So this is your claim. Okay. The second example, which is called appeal to magnitude or popularity, yeah. So number one, you can state that your title is important for a particular purpose. Okay. Number two, you can state that your title is a popular title. Yeah. How to do that? Yeah. The relationship between motivation and language learning has also been a subject of inquiry for many years. Yeah. So by saying that the title, yeah, motivation and language learning, the relationship, yeah, if your title is about relationship between motivation and language learning, yeah, you can say that it has become the subject, yeah, of research, yeah, for many years. So if uh, people have done studies on this topic for many years, it means it is a popular topic, yeah, popular title. Okay. You can also do like this. Yeah, many researchers have investigated the relationship between motivation and language learning. So by saying many researchers, many people, yeah, or many authors have done research on this topic, yeah, you are saying that the topic is popular. Okay. And number three, yeah, appeal to topicality or newness. Yeah. So if you think your title is something is a new title or a new topic, yeah, you can address it by writing like this. Most recently, age effects have also been implicated in the L1 attrition or loss. Yeah? Attrition means remember. Yeah? Of phonology, morphosyntax, and lexical semantics. Yeah? So by saying most recently, yeah, lately, recently, yeah, other people have done research on this topic. So you are showing, you are telling readers that your topic is new. Yeah, this is a new topic. Yeah, like now, yeah, the new topics in language learning is the use of artificial intelligence. Yeah, there's a new topics now. Okay, and it is also popular. Okay, and finally, yeah, you can start. You can start your chapter one by showing the problems. Yeah. Yeah. So blah 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 has caused the researchers to consider the concept of the motivation as a controversial issue and one of the most influencing obstacles in learning a foreign language. So this is a problem. Yeah. By saying the word, yeah, controversial, yeah, by saying the words obstacle, you are implying that there is a problem here. Okay. Next, now what is a problem? Yeah. In general, a problem can be defined as the difference between present, yeah, condition and the desired state or the expectation. So the difference, the gap between the reality, the present condition, and the expectation. A research problem refers to some kind of problem which a researcher experiences or observes in the context of either a theoretical or practical solution. Yeah. So where do you get the problem? Yeah, you can get a problem for your research uh, from your own experience, yeah, or from what you observe, yeah, on other people, yeah, Observe can also mean by reading. You can get the problem by reading other people's thesis, by reading other people journal articles, or from your own experience. An important premise for the thesis is that organizations are problem-solving system. So this is the one that we have to remember, that thesis or article is a problem-solving system. Because we start our research by problem, and of course we want to solve the problem. So otherwise, it's not going to be useful. Yeah. What is the point of doing research if we cannot solve the problem? Okay. Okay. So this is an example of chapter 1. Which contains problems. Yeah. University students, particularly postgraduate students and faculty members all over the world, are expected and encouraged to publish their research results in international journals. So this is a quotation, or paraphrase from several authors. However, many Indonesians seem to be unsuccessful. Not only Indonesia. Many foreign language speakers of English seem to be unsuccessful in international journal publication. This is because writing research articles is very challenging, and writing them in a foreign language is even more demanding. Okay, so this is a statement of problem. You know the expectation. I mark this in blue. And then the problem is in red. Okay, expectation first, and then the problem. Okay, next, another example. Another way of promoting an article is by addressing a research gap. RGS means research gaps, strategies. In the abstract, to show readers the newness or novelty of the research topic or title. Okay, but now this is the problem. However, as Miles claims, the idea of finding gaps in the research has been troubling. Troubling means problematic for most researchers. For a considerable period, there were no formal or established frameworks for identifying and characterizing research gaps. Thus, what is considered a research gap by some researchers may not be considered a research gap by other researchers. So this is the this is an example of a problem statement in your chapter 1. Okay. You can introduce your topic first in the first paragraph, but you have to write a paragraph, something like this, to show that there is a problem in about your research. Okay. Now, this example of research question, of course, you have to write in a question sentence. Yeah. What research design or method are often used by expert authors in English language education articles published in high impact journals? So for our undergraduate student, you can start your research question by what? For higher level, it is suggested that you start your question by how, and why. What is the lowest level of uh, taxonomy blooms level, what, and how. Okay. So for undergraduate students, the research question can start with what. But for postgraduate student, you need to start your question with how and why. And the objective is the same thing. The difference between research question and research objective is only the type of the sentence. In research question, you write it in interrogative form, while in research objective, you have to write in a declarative form. Positive form of sentence. Okay. In this example of significances of the study, the finding of the study are expected to enrich the sources concerning on epistemological racism. Another significance of studying epistemological racism is that it could promote reflexivity and accountability and so on. Yeah? So this a statement of significance of the study. And next is the scope and limitation of the study. Yeah? So if in your thesis guideline, you have to write this in your chapter 1, yeah, you can write this. Okay, this study will focus on blah blah blah. Yeah, this study will focus on. Yeah, so by saying that you will focus on a particular topic, yeah, you limit, yeah, your study on only a particular focus. Yeah, so that readers will understand that you don't touch on other aspects, yeah, of the problem. You only focus on a particular problem. Okay, now this chapter 1. Yeah, is there any question? Yeah, before we go to chapter 2. These are the example of chapter 1. Yeah, the thing that you have to write. Yeah, but yeah, again, you have to refer to your thesis writing guideline. Yeah, uh, implement it, yeah, in your institution, in your study program or faculty or university. Okay, guys, if you have any question.
Okay, please, if you have any question, just raise your hand and
Yeah, let me stop this first, yeah, so I can see each other. Yeah, please, yeah, you can ask question. So I
we
have
have
yeah,
in the
the
classroom.
chat.
Don't join online because we
Yeah,
need
yeah, okay.
participant. So we have 80, I think 81, 83, including
Yeah,
speaker.
yeah.
So 81 participant in online. So if you have question, please.
Well, can you follow me? Am I speaking too fast?
Question. You can speak directly. We can hear you in the classroom.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Question. Number 4. Right. Oh, you are not clear chapter 4 and chapter 5. So we we focus on proposal. Proposal we have
Yeah, chapter 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Chapter 4 is the result, yeah, and discussion. Chapter 5 is the conclusion and suggestion.
So how about chapter 1? Are you clear with the research
So
problem?
is there any problem? Yeah. How to start writing your chapter 1? Is there any problem in choosing the research topic? Yeah. Or in writing research title, for example, a thesis title. Or you may ask question
One student,
in your language, and Sovan will translate it for me.
one student they asked about how to select the right topic for writing research article.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Who asked the question, Sovan?
What's your name? Oh,
Ratna.
Ratna.
Yeah. So the question is how to choose the right topic, yeah, for your thesis, yeah, proposal. Okay, that's a good question. Yeah. So first, from your own interest, yeah, what do you like best? What is your interest, research interest? Yeah, you can get it from the subject that you have attended, yeah, in your study program. Yeah, maybe you have learned the grammar, vocabulary, yeah, linguistic subjects, yeah, the teaching of skill, the 4 skills, listening, speaking, writing, reading, and which one do you like best? Which one is the most interesting field, yeah, for you? And sometimes this is because of the lecturer. So if the lecturer is very good, yeah, and then the student like it, like the subject, yeah. If I teach speaking subject, for example, and I teach it very well, yeah, and then the student may like speaking. If I teach vocabulary, for example, yeah, and the students like it very much, so the student will like to do research on vocabulary. So it depends on your interest, and your interest depends on the lecturer's way of teaching the subject, yeah, to you. Okay, yeah. So choose your interest first. Which one do you like best? Or yeah, yeah, you can also choose the topic, the research interest, yeah, from the subject that you get the highest mark, the highest score. Yeah, for example, you got an A from speaking, you get an A from vocabulary, from structure. So you can choose it. Yeah, I want to do research on the teaching of speaking. I want to do research on the teaching of grammar, vocabulary, and so on, because I got the highest mark, yeah, from that subject. Okay, so that is the way to start. Yeah, choose your research interest first. Okay, and then yeah, you find the literature about it. You find the readings, yeah, not books, but article, journal articles. Yeah, so I'll show you how to find the journal articles, yeah, for a particular purpose, yeah, for a particular on a particular topic, yeah, or title, yeah, later on. Okay, so after getting many articles, yeah, many, yeah, about 10 articles, yeah, on a particular research interest, for example, yeah, you are interested in doing research on grammar, the teaching of grammar, okay? And then find articles in journals about the teaching of grammar. What other people have done, yeah, what research, yeah, what studies have other people done on the teaching of grammar recently, yeah, not the old ones, recently, within the 5 years, yeah, the last 5 years, and read it one by one. Okay, usually at the end of uh, the articles, in the conclusion section, yeah, the author suggests for further research, yeah, limitation of the study and suggestion for future studies. Now you can follow it. You can get information, new ideas from the suggestion from the authors. For example, yeah, you get an article published in 2024. So this is very new, yeah. And then read the conclusion section of the article. And in that section, you will find, yeah, the limitation of the study and suggestion for future studies. So you can, yeah, follow up the suggestion for future studies. Okay. Yeah. So this is one several ways of finding, yeah, what title, what topics, yeah, to for your thesis, yeah. And then if you have written a title for your thesis, yeah, write it in a Google, yeah, Google search, to know whether or not other people have done, yeah, the same research, yeah, to know whether or not other students have chosen the title. Yeah. So if the same title have been investigated, have been written, have been taken by other students, you have to change a little bit. Okay. Yeah, not entirely. Yeah, you don't change it entirely. You change it a little bit. Yeah, you change the focus of your research. Yeah, this is to avoid a very similar or same title. Yeah, for your thesis with the title from other students. Yeah. Okay. So this is my answer. Yeah. Know your research interest first. Yeah. What is my research interest? What uh what field I like best? Yeah. In your study program. Yeah. What subject I like best? I like the best subject that I like is discourse analysis. Yeah. And then it becomes my research interest. Yeah. So I have done studies on that field because I like it. So when you do research on something that you like, you have a strong motivation. Yeah, because you are not forced to do it. Yeah, this is because you like it. You are motivated to do it. Yeah, you have an energy. Yeah, to read more. Yeah, to write more, to discuss more. Yeah, on the field that you like best. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, you got it right. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Did I answer your question?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yeah.
Any more question?
Please, if you have other questions, yeah, before we go to chapter 2.
Uh, we have one more question.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Oh,
Lan, yeah. Van
in
Rossi, yeah. Yeah, please. What is your question, Lan?
Good morning, Professor,
Yeah, yeah.
and
Glad
good
to hear
morning,
from
teachers
you.
one. Yeah, yes, thank you very much, professors, and even we just spent around 4 minutes, but I can catch up from you very well for your
Yeah,
explanation, and
yeah.
it is my good learn. And however, professors, let me bring you back to the beginning of chapter one for the
Yes,
backgrounds and problem.
yeah,
Actually, I'm Rosie from a graduate student that I'm
yeah.
planning and processing on my thesis as well, Professor.
Mm,
So yes, in short, I just make clear from you that the way that sum up, or we can say the way that we can describe from number one to number four in the
mm,
background of problem, professors.
mm,
So, for example, my thesis describe, or we can say focus on the problem of the student
mm.
with the with the vocabulary pronunciation. This
Vocabulary.
example.
Pronunciation. Yes, yes.
So
Okay.
yeah, so the way
Mm,
that I can describe from number one to number four is that
mm.
I raise only the problem, or what, or we can say I can include success or something like that, Professor. This is my question.
Okay, okay. Yeah, thank you. Let me share this again. Yeah. Okay. So this is number 1 to number 4. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one, yeah. This is called claiming centrality, yeah. You can choose 2 out of 4, yeah. You don't have to write all 4, yeah. Uh, it's called appeals. Appeals mean statement or claim, yeah, to persuade, yeah, to uh, convince readers that your title, your topic of research is interesting, important, and useful. Yeah. So number one, yeah, you can show that your title is important. Yeah. Yeah. Of course, you have to make a claim and then support this with references. Okay. Now, if your title is not popular, so you don't have to write this. Yeah. So number 2 is not necessary if your title is not popular. Yeah, but if your title, yeah, like the teaching of pronunciation, yeah, for Cambodian student, English pronunciation for Cambodian student, if it is a popular topic, yeah, you can write number 2. How to write it? Yeah, by saying that many other researchers have investigated the topic. And who are they? Yeah, you mentioned who they are. Yeah? So by showing readers that other people, other researchers have done research on that particular topic, yeah, you are implying, you are saying that the topic is popular. Yeah. So if that topic is popular. Okay, number 3, if the topic is not new, you don't have to write this. Yeah? But if your topic is new, you can, okay, by saying that, yeah, most recently or lately, recently, yeah, many researchers have investigated that particular topic. Okay.
Ê, phụ
So
Ni ơi, đọc cái miền Ban.
yeah. Okay, number 4, problem.
Được bạn nó
Yeah.
cộng viên.
What is the problem? Of course, yeah, you have the problem. Yeah, for example, yeah, there have been studies on how to pronounce English
Nhưng mà bạn nó
phonemes,
lớp tập
yeah,
cái cái
by
biết.
Cambodian students. But in the reality, yeah, Cambodian students keep making mistakes in pronouncing English phonemes. Okay, that is the problem. That kind of problem is called, yeah, real world problem. Now, you can also state the research problem. Now, what is research problem? The problem, yeah, results from the studies. Yeah, for example, there have been many studies on the way Cambodian students pronounce English phonemes. Yeah? But their studies did not investigate the causes of the mispronunciation. Okay, so that is the research problem.
Có
Yeah.
nơi
Okay.
bắt xử lý nhỉ?
So what I'm trying to say is that, yeah, you can choose which claim, which appeal to write for your chapter 1. Yeah, number 1, the importance. Yeah, the appeals of importance. Number 2, the
Nhưng mà đang là
appeals of popularity.
2 cái năm bằng cầu.
Number 3, the appeals of
Giấy
newness. And number 4, the appeals of problem. Yeah, choose 2 out of 4 at least. Number 1 is the importance. Number 2 is the problem. Yeah, you don't have to write all. Yeah, you don't have to write all of them. Okay.
Thank you very much, professors. I got it. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah.
Prof,
Okay. Is there any other question?
question in chat box from Marita.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Yeah, in chat box.
You read the chat box?
You mentioned that, yeah, I can see it. Yeah. You mentioned that it has been challenging to publish your research
Đồ
article
tóc à?
internationally. What solution do you suggest to combat this challenge? Yeah. From Marita. Yeah. Marita is from Cambodia.
From Cambodia, Pak.
Oh, yeah. This it sounds Indonesian name. Yeah. It's a good question. Yeah.
Nice name.
It is very difficult. It is very challenging. Yeah. To publish articles in international journals. Yeah. Because there are many types of journals. Yeah. What I am saying, it is very challenging. It is very demanding to publish articles in good journals. Yeah. In good journals. Usually, good journals, prestigious journals are free. Yeah, no article processing charge, APC. Yeah, but to publish an article in uh, journals in which we have to pay, yeah, with high cost, yeah, it is not very difficult. Yeah, you have to pay, for example, 1,000 US dollars, yeah, to publish your article in the journal. Yeah, it is not very difficult. Yeah, the difficult one is to publish articles in uh, free journals. Free journals. Yeah, we don't have to pay. Yeah, I have just published an article in journals published in uh, Czechoslovakia, yeah, in Europe. Yeah, this is in quartile 2, yeah, indexed by Scopus. Yeah, uh, just out on the 30th of June, June 30th. Yeah, I don't have to pay anything. Yeah, but I have to wait more than 1 year. Yeah, more than 1 year. Okay, so your question is, how do I solve this problem? Yeah, of course, number one, yeah, by writing, yeah, by doing good research. Yeah, if we do good research, okay, yeah, if we do good research, and then we will get a good result. Yeah, so with good research, yeah, we can get a good result, and we can write a good articles. Yeah, so what is good research? Yeah, good research is something on uh, new topics, yeah, new topics and new method. Yeah, so two news, yeah, new topic and new method. And with, if you do this, yeah, your research result, yeah, or your research article will have a high potential, yeah, prospect to be published in journals. Okay, so in order to find a good topic, yeah, for your research, you have to follow, yeah, the development of research on a particular field. So my field is discourse analysis. Yeah, I have to follow this, yeah, every day, every week. I have to read what other people have written about that topic, about discourse analysis, particularly the discourse, academic discourse, the discourse analysis of research articles, journal articles. So I know very much about this because I have been doing research on this topic, yeah, for the last 20 years. Yeah, since I did my PhD, yeah, in Australian National University in 2001. I finished in 2001. Yeah, I did study on this topic, yeah, discourse analysis, yeah, on the discourse of journal article until now. Yeah, I have done, yeah, about 50, yeah, 50 studies, 50 research topics. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so that is my answer. Yeah, you have to do good research, yeah, by choosing the interesting topic, and then you have to read, yeah, you have to read uh, more references, yeah, 30 or 40 references, okay. Most of them are journal articles, yeah, not books, okay. And then you are convinced, yeah, you are sure that your article will be published by a journal, yeah, by choosing the right journals. Yeah, you have to know the characteristics of journals, okay. Yeah. Okay, did I answer your question? Yeah, that is a very good question. Yeah. How do I solve the problem of publishing in in international journal. Yeah, by doing good research, by reading more references. Yeah, by
Thank you so much, Pak.
following the
Any more questions?
development of research on a particular topic. Yeah, don't do research on many topic. Yeah, just focus on one topic. Okay. Okay, we can go on to the next chapter. Yeah.
Yes, Pak.
Okay. Okay, we come now to chapter 2, yeah, of your proposal. So what you have to, are there any question?
Oh, okay, Pak, we can.
Mention the SVG review. Yeah, no more question, right? Okay,
No.
now chapter 2, this is where you need reading, yeah, references. Yeah, you have to read a lot, yeah, to write your chapter 2. Yeah. So if you don't read a lot, yeah, you cannot write your chapter 2. Or chapter 2, yeah, for the lecturers or supervisors is to know how much you know about your research topic. So if I examine a student, yeah, the student's research proposal, yeah, or thesis proposal, I look at the chapter 2, how much they have read, yeah, about the topic. So this is where, yeah, you have to write something more convincingly and more references. The more references you refer to, the better, yeah, because it will tell your supervisors or examiners that you have read a lot. Yeah, and you have to understand this. Okay. So in the thesis proposal seminar, yeah, the examiners will ask you a lot about chapter 2. Yeah, what do you mean by this? What do you mean by this? How do you know this? What is the theory, yeah, related to your topics? Yeah, who said that? Where did you get it from? What books have you read? Whose articles have you read? So these are particular questions, yeah, from the examiners to know whether the students are ready to do research on that topic or not yet. Yeah. So if you cannot answer the questions, yeah, about the theory related to your titles, references related to your titles, yeah, and the research or the studies which have been done by other people related to your research. So it shows that you are not ready to do research on that topic if you cannot answer this question. Yeah. So how can you answer this question? Yeah, by reading a lot. Yeah, no other way. Yeah. So you have to read. Okay. And then after reading, yeah, you have to write. Yeah. This is called literature review. What is literature review? Selection of available documents, published and unpublished, mostly published, of course, yeah, on the topic. So this is the literature review, selection of available documents, available references, books, or research reports or articles, yeah, which contain information, ideas, data, evidence written from a particular standpoint to fulfill certain aims, yeah, or express certain views on the nature of the topic. Yeah, okay, so this literature review. Yeah, what is the purpose? What are the purposes of literature review? First, is it establishes the context of our study. Yeah, the context of your study. Yeah, to establish, yeah, generativity, yeah, the ability for your study to contribute back to the field. Yeah? So the context of your study. Number two, to keep in mind, you are not conducting your research in a vacuum. Yeah, nothing new under the sky. Okay, it must, other people must have done something on the topic. Don't think that, yeah, you are the only one to do research on that topic. No, other people have done it, and you have to find them. Yeah, you have to read them. Okay. Second, yeah, it is a paper about what is already known. Yeah, literature review is about the papers already known about the research problem. Yeah, that you have identified. Yeah, want to investigate. Yeah, to know more about the problem. Maybe what you consider problem. Yeah, maybe what you consider a problem, not a problem anymore. Other people have investigated them. Okay, yeah, like the example before, the problem of Cambodian students in pronouncing English phonemes. Yeah, you may think this is a problem, but after reading other people's articles or books, it may not be a problem anymore. Yeah, other researchers have done on that topic, so you have to change the problem. Yeah, don't do, yeah, the same research, yeah, with what other people have done. So the result will be the same. Okay. Many beginning researchers try to include everything they read into their research proposal. Yeah. And that can soon become problematic. So don't include everything. You have to be selective, yeah, in choosing the references you read, you include in your chapter 2. Yeah, they must be something very closely related to your research topic. Okay, so don't do this. Yeah, this fault. Many beginning researchers try to include everything. Yeah, not everything important. Not everything is relevant. Yeah, to your research. Yeah, just choose. Yeah, the relevant one. Okay. The third one, yeah, for identifying appropriate research strategies, data collection instrument, and procedures. Yeah. So by reading other people's reference, yeah, or articles, yeah, you know how they conducted their study, yeah, by reading the method section of the articles. Because the research questions are the methodological point of departure, it is imperative that you use your research objective, yeah, to identify the tools you will need, yeah, to develop a strong, valid research method that will help you answer those questions. I'll talk about this later on in chapter 3, yeah, about the method, okay? Why literature? Why review? Why reviewing the literature? One is to make sure that you are not simply reinventing the wheel. You are not simply uh, copying, copy pasting, repeating, yeah, what other people have done. Second, yeah, telling a suitable story about the relevant previous work enables you to demonstrate how your current work is situated within. Yeah. So by telling what other people have done and what is the difference between these studies and your study, yeah, you are telling readers, your supervisors, that your research is different from the previous studies. Yeah. Third, somewhat more subtle, yeah, more important, rational, yeah, comes from that the fact the story you have successfully told shows other that you are a member of your chosen field. Yeah, show that you are uh, you are already expert, yeah, on a particular topic. Okay, so this is the why, yeah, do we do a review of literature. So this is the literature review section, yeah, introduction, foundation of theory, yeah, relevant theories about your title. Yeah, for example, the title is pronunciation of English phoneme by Cambodian student. You have to choose, you have to mention relevant theories of pronunciation. Yeah, how to pronounce English phonemes. Yeah, well, yeah, what are the theory related to pronunciation, and then empirical research. Yeah, what other people have done, yeah, on that topic, yeah, on English phonemes pronunciation. Yeah, and then what is the research gap? What haven't done by other people? What is left? Yeah, and then the conclusion or summary. Yeah, so this is the outline of literature review. Okay, this is the same thing. Yeah, when you write literature review, you start from a general, yeah, a statement. Yeah, background is general, and then narrow it down to the very specific topic. Yeah, you start from general and then coming down to more specific topic. So this is the way we write literature review. Okay, this example of review. Yeah, this is the example of this one. Yeah, the empirical research review analysis of relevant studies. Yeah, the green one. So this is the example. Okay, this is the example. Yeah, many studies were conducted to assess EFL's teachers' perception regarding the use of computers, yeah, for foreign language learning and teaching. Okay, so this is the introduction. Okay, many studies have been done on teachers' perception on the use of uh, computer, yeah, for foreign language learning. Yeah, one of them is Nikish. Yeah, this one of them. The other studies, yeah, Neufeld, okay, and then Bauer, okay. You see here, two studies are discussed in one paragraph, not one by one, okay. Yeah, and then in the next paragraph, two more studies, yeah, fact, yeah, and then Odo, yeah, yeah, more studies, two more studies on the same topic, yeah. Uh, and then furthermore, yeah, two more studies, yeah, Look and Britton, and then Epsworth et al. Yeah, 2010. Okay. And then in the next paragraph, there are two more studies, yeah, reviewed, yeah, in the literature review, Sun and Ye, okay, 2010 and 2011. You see, yeah, this literature review is organized based on the year of publication. Yeah, you see here, Nikish was published an article in 1983, and then yeah, Neufeld 1984, Bauer 2002, yeah, Fook, yeah, this 2006, O'Dot 2007, yeah, Look and Britain 2007, and Epsworth, yeah, 2010, okay, and Sun 2010, yeah, 2011. So what does it mean? Yeah, this literature review, yeah, is organized based on the year of publication of the references. Yeah, beginning from the oldest one to the most recent one, to the newest one. Okay. Now, this is the statement of research gap. Yeah. Okay. So we write a conclusion, a concluding paragraph. Yeah. At the end of chapter 2. Yeah. Something like this. As discussed above, there have been studies on EFL teachers' perceptions regarding the use of computers for foreign language learning and teaching. These studies have enlightened, have added our knowledge, about the important topics. However, as far as I am concerned, there is no study investigating the perception, of pre-service teachers regarding the use of computers in the teaching of English in and outside the classroom. Okay, so this is the statement of research gap. But we have to support. Why is the gap or the statement of gap important? This is important because we have to justify this. We have to find references to support this the importance of this topic. Okay, so this is called research gap statement. We have to write this after reviewing relevant studies. After this, okay. So this is at the end of chapter 2. You have to write this. Okay. These are the types of an example of research gap. There are 7 types of research gap. Okay, you can study this. This is the example: evidence gap. Number 2, knowledge gap. Number 3, practical knowledge gap. Number 4, methodological gap. Number 5, empirical gap. Number 6, theoretical gap. And number 7, population gap. Okay. You can read this. And you don't have to use all. You just choose one. Another model of research gap is only 5. Number 1, claiming no study on a particular topic. We claim that no study, just like this, just like our example, just like this. As far as I am concerned, there is no study investigating the perception of pre-service teachers. This claiming no study. No study. So this is model number 1, strategy number 1. Claiming no study. This is the weakest one. The weakest one, the lowest one. Now, if you can, for undergraduate student, you can use this. But for postgraduate student, you have to go up. Claiming very few studies. As far as I am concerned, there is very few studies on a particular topic. There is very limited studies on that topic. Okay. If you are a PhD student, you have to go up, showing limitation in previous studies. And then if you are a professional researcher, you have to use number 4, contrasting or conflicting result found in previous studies. Okay. And this is, if you want to follow up other people's studies, you have to, you want to go on, to extend other people's studies. This is for practical problem, practical reason. So the one that I like best is number 4, contrasting or conflicting result found in previous studies. Okay, these are simpler. This model is simpler than the 7 model 1. This one. Simpler than this one. Okay, you can use this. Okay, that is chapter 2. Is there any question? Please, if you have any question, for chapter 2, it is called literature review. Please, if you have any question, this is the most difficult section or chapter to write because you have to use references, many references, many citation, many paraphrases. Please, if you have any question.
Okay, any question? No? You understand everything? Question? What now?
Is there any question? You can write
Okay.
your question in the chat box.
Excuse me, Professor.
Yeah,
Oh,
Let,
yeah.
wait.
let me
Chantra.
let
Is it right?
Okay, Mr. Receivers.
Who is speaking? Who is speaking?
yeah, let me first. Good morning
Okay,
again,
sure.
professors.
Ah, yeah,
Let me have a question again because
sure.
at the
Yeah,
beginning I
yeah,
have one. Yes.
yeah.
Yes,
Go
very
on.
interesting for your description of literature reviews.
Yeah,
And through
thank
what you
you.
have mentioned about the ordering of period that we cite, or we can say citation tag in ordering for the years, like you just mentioned, Professor.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And this is good and very interesting. But for example, when the literature divide by dimension or cluster
Mm,
of the group of subtitle, so is that
mm,
okay
mm.
for
Yes,
this
yes,
ordering of the year of
yeah,
application
yeah,
that we
yeah,
cite the text from teacher, professor?
yeah,
This is my
yeah,
question.
yeah. Very good question. Yeah. So ordering your literature references following the year, the date, the age is just one way. Yeah, just one way. There are other ways. Yeah, I don't like that one. Yeah, I don't use that one. Yeah, I usually group the literature based on the focus of the research. Yeah, the object of the research. I also group, yeah, the literature by the field of discipline. Yeah, so not by the age, not by the year of publication. Okay, so this is only one way. Yeah, there are other ways. You are right. Yeah, you can group, yeah, your literature, your references, yeah, by using the same focus of the research. Yeah, for example, yeah, one several research focus on university student. Other studies focus on high school students, for example. Yeah, other studies focus on elementary students. So there are three groups of studies. Yeah, a university student focusing on high school student, yeah, junior and or senior, and then focusing on elementary students. So there are three groups. So it can be written into three paragraphs, yeah, or more. Okay, that is one way of grouping your literature. Yeah, another way of grouping it, for example, yeah, if the topic is about the problems of pronouncing English or phonemes by Cambodian students, yeah, you can group, yeah, by gender. Yeah, studies with male students and studies with female students. Okay, yeah, that is another way of grouping it. Yeah, yeah. uh Maybe, yeah, other ways of grouping it, yeah, from the same topics. Yeah, the Cambodian student problems in pronouncing English phonemes. Yeah, maybe studies focusing on consonant, yeah, pronouncing English consonants. And another group is the problems of pronouncing vowel, yeah, phonemes, yeah, in English. Okay, so uh, there are several ways of grouping, yeah, your literature review. Yes, good question. Yeah. Okay, another question from Rantana. Yeah, do we need to use one research gap for one research topic, or can be more than one gap? This is a very good question. Yeah, this is a very good question. I did study on this topic. Yeah, I analyzed many articles, journal articles published in international journals. Yeah, reputable international journals. I found that the higher the quality of the journals, yeah, the article published in the highest quality journals, yeah, use more research gaps, not one, yeah, on the average about 4 research gaps. Okay, so they don't only state one research gap, they state 4 research gap. Yeah, I analyzed journal article, not thesis, yeah, not dissertation. Yeah, so the higher, the better the articles, yeah, the more research gap they address. They address the research gap in several places, in the introduction, in the literature review, yeah, probably in the method section, yeah, because research gap is our promise to readers that our research result will add the information in the literature. Okay, so without research gap, our research result will have no novelty. And novelty means something new, something new, yeah, which is not in the literature that yet, which is not done by other people yet. Okay, so there's a very good question. Yeah, I did a study on this. Yeah, the better the research, the more research gap they address. Yeah, on the average, 3 or 4. Yeah, different research gap, not the same research gap. Yeah, different research gap. Okay, more question from Sovanarat. If I use one of the references from thesis, but not thesis, sorry. Question. If I use one, yeah, one of the references from thesis, but not, what is it? But not exact sentence, do I need to cite its source? Yes, yeah, a good question, yeah. If you get somebody's idea or opinion or research result, yeah, you have to cite, you acknowledge the reference, yeah, you have to acknowledge it, you have to put the reference. Now, the way how to put it depends on whether it is a direct citation or indirect citation. Yeah, direct citation. Yeah, you have to put the name, the last name of the author, the year of publication, and the page number. Yeah, if you paraphrase, yeah, the information you get from the reference, you don't have to put the page number. You have to write, you have to state the last name of the authors, yeah, and the year of publication. Okay, direct citation will be written in one space, one line space, yeah, and indented, yeah, five space, yeah, inward. Okay, like you show the examples. Okay, so this academic writing techniques, yeah, yes, you have to acknowledge any, and you cannot you cannot cite too much, yeah, from the same source. Yeah, you have cited someone on page 1, you cite again on page 2, you cite again on page 3. Yeah, you cannot do that. Yeah, it shows that you don't have many sources, you don't have many references. Okay, you have to have many references, and therefore you just cite, yeah, one or twice, yeah, from the same source. And you cannot cite too much from the same source. For example, 1 page, yeah, you cite, yeah, you take 1 page, yeah, from someone's articles. That is too much. Okay, so don't do that. Yeah, you have to summarize it. You can write the summary of someone's writing, someone's article, someone's chapters. Yeah. Yeah. So don't cite the same reference many times and don't cite the same reference too much. Okay. Anytime you cite someone, you take someone's opinion, ideas, yeah, you have to acknowledge. Okay. There are two ways of acknowledging it. Where do you put the names of the author of reference that you cite? At the beginning or at the end? Okay, you can do that both. Yeah, you can put the name at the beginning or at the end. So which one to put at the beginning? Which one to put at the end? If you cite a very famous someone, author, famous author, put the name of the author at the beginning. Yeah, if you, which means, yeah, the person, the author that you cite is famous, is popular. But yeah, if you cite someone which is not popular, yeah, which is not known yet, yeah, new author, yeah, put the name of the author at the end, yeah, of the citation in brackets. Yeah. Okay. More question?
Thank you, Pak.
Okay, we have 5 more minutes. Yeah, so far. Okay,
Yes.
we go on to we go on to chapter 3. Yeah, we go on to chapter 3. Yeah, I'm not going to talk much about chapter 3. Yeah, okay. Why is it too big? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay, this chapter 3. My way, yeah, my technique, yeah, of writing chapter 3 is by following, yeah, other people's, yeah, following other. If I read an article, research articles, exactly, yeah, or very closely related to the research that I'm going to do, I just follow the way the authors write chapter 3. What if it is in the article is the method section. Yeah. So what you have to write here, number one, yeah, you have to write the way of data collection procedure. Yeah, how will you, yeah, collect your data? Number two, you have to write the way you variables. Yeah, the what are the variables? Yeah, and number three, you have to write data analysis procedure. Now, completely is like this, okay? In applied linguistic field, yeah, most of the studies, yeah, were done, were used, yeah, qualitative method, yeah, about 53%, yeah, qualitative. Yeah. So if you are doing research in applied linguistics, so qualitative is the common method or approach to use, okay? And only half of it, yeah, 23% quantitative approach, and then 23% use mixed method, okay? Now, what do you have to write in your chapter 3? Yeah, number one is research participant. Who are involved, who will be involved in your research? Number two, you have to address data analysis procedure. Yeah. Number three, data collection procedure. Number four, research instrument. Number five, study result or design. Yeah. And number six, research question and objective. Okay. And so on. Yeah. So this is the frequency. It doesn't mean that the order is like this. Yeah. Of course, you have to write research design or method first, yeah, at the beginning of your chapter 3. And then data collection procedure, yeah, number 3, yeah, becomes, I order this based on the frequency, yeah, yeah. This is the way how authors discuss their chapter 3 or method section, yeah, yeah. So these are necessary points, yeah, to put in your chapter 3. Okay, now you start with research design or method, and then data collection procedure. Yeah, maybe research participant first, and then the data collection procedure, data analysis procedure, and then if your study is qualitative, yeah, you have to show the validity and reliability check, yeah, of your data. Okay, and yeah, it is important, yeah, to justify. For example, yeah, you are going to use qualitative research, yeah, like this, yeah, qualitative approach. You have to state the reason why. If you are going to use quantitative study, you have to justify this. You have to support, explain why. Yeah, or you are going to use mixed methods, why? Okay, so the method section must be argumentative too, not descriptive. Yeah, okay. Okay, if you are interested in my research, yeah, you can access my papers, my articles from this, yeah, application. It's called Eric. Yeah, this is the address. Yeah, eric.ed.gov. Yeah, you can write my name here, Safnil Arshad, and then you search. You can get all articles that I have published. And so if you're interested in doing research on the same field, you can study from this. So if you have any question, you can email me. Yeah. So my email here, yeah, there are 2 emails that I have. This is the university email. This Gmail. Yeah. This is my WhatsApp number. Yeah. You can ask question if you like. You can also access my works from ResearchGate. Yeah, ResearchGate. This is the address. Okay, so this is the address. Yeah, you just write my names. Yeah, in the box, and then search. Yeah, so you can get my works. Okay, I think that's all. Yeah, for because we have no more time. Yeah, it is already 11. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, we started a little bit late. Yeah, because of the technical problems. Okay. Thank you very much. I shared these PowerPoints already in the chat box. Yeah, you can access this. You can read this. Yeah, can ask question. Yeah, later on to me. Okay, Sovan. Yeah, probably that's all.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
from me. Yeah, thank you very much.
very much.
Back to you, Sovan.
Yes, yes. So that's our webinar is coming to the end because we are now already ending session. So we have, I think, more than 100 participants at the beginning because we limit
Yeah,
participant only
we
one.
limit the Zoom. Yeah.
We have about 60 more participants in the classroom in the virtual classroom.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But that's
Thank you. Thank you very much.
deliver from the class to the chat box. Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
please keep update the information and keep asking information. If you have any question, you have the context from our professor. He showed
Okay.
in the slide. We have email, we
Yeah.
have WhatsApp. So in Indonesia, it's good if you use WhatsApp. Yeah, but in Cambodia, it's very popular with Telegram. Um, just keep update and asking information if you have more question and you don't have time for asking question. So now I'd like to say thank you so much, Professor, for spending your time and sharing a lot of experience on writing thesis and especially writing the proposal, research proposal, and also more information about the detailed point and each step and each move of the chapter. I think many students also have questions, but we don't have time, so keep up that information by asking professor.
Sofan, can we have a photo taken?
Yeah, yes, but I use
Have you?
desktop, so we don't have camera, but we can
Oh, okay.
the audience, you can show your face by turning on your camera, so we can have photo together. តោះទាំងអស់គ្នាបើកនេះមកបើករូបមកយើងថតរូបជុំគ្នាណាអាចបើករូបមក show your face and then we can have photo together តោះទាំងអស់គ្នា show face មកអាចបើកកាមេរ៉ាជុំមកហ្នឹងហើយបើកកាមេរ៉ាថតរូបជុំគ្នា Mr. Vret, how are you? No, no, no. Okay, then good.
Yeah, it's been good, sir. Now I'm back home, sir.
Okay, nice to see you.
Yeah, teacher, thank you.
Okay មកអូខេបើកកាមេរ៉ាជិះមកទាំងអស់គ្នាបើកកាមេរ៉ាមកហ្នឹងហើយបើកកាមេរ៉ាយើងថតរូបជុំគ្នាទាំងអស់គ្នាណាប៉ុន្តែនៅឥឡូវទៅអ្នកនៅ virtual classroom ថតរូបអត់កើតវិញយើងអាចចូលក្នុង Zoom ដើម្បីថតជុំគ្នាតិចទៅបាទ Mr. Rossi តិចបើក just show your face. Yeah, show your face. តោះទាំងអស់គ្នាមកទាំងអស់គ្នា Okay, so រាប់ណាសំណាងរត់អីអត់ឃើញបើកសំណាងរត់វិរៈនាតសច្ឆាបើកមក so I count right so count ថតតបើកកាមេរ៉ា show your camera and will record take the photo okay 1 2 3 okay 1 2 3 okay ហ្នឹងហើយ selfie can be selfie like that okay okay thank you so much everyone for your time.
Okay, thank you, Sofan. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
yes.
thank you. Yeah. I'll see you soon.
See you soon. One more, Pak.
Yeah.
Send your PowerPoint in the chat box. I don't see it in chat box.
Wow, you mean the PowerPoint?
PowerPoint. You can send in WhatsApp, in my WhatsApp.
I can send it to you. Yeah.
Yes, bye.
Okay.
And also, I need your signature, electronic signature.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll send it to you. Yeah.
Prepare the e-certificate for students.
Okay, thank you, Sofan.
Thank you so much, Pak. Goodbye.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.